got the power to take your business to a whole nother level. The large walk-in baggage compartment is fully accessible in flight. Crafted for comfort, the quietest interior in its class creates a relaxing travel environment. Experience the comfort of the spacious cabin, with the most legroom in its class. The fully berthable seating designed specifically for this new larger cabin line, giving passengers maximum comfort. Arrive feeling rested after traveling in the category's lowest cabin altitude. Stay connected and productive, utilizing the standard internet and cabin management system. Every detail crafted. Low fuel flow, advanced aerodynamics, longest maintenance intervals. Combined, these make the Longitude the most cost-effective aircraft to operate in its class. This citation is designed for business. Your business. The Citation Longitude, revolutionizing business aviation.